For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 16 stitches plus 3 extra stitches plus 1 extra stitch 17 and plus 2 edge stitches 19. AI pearl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn over to front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, twist this first stitch, knit together from back loop, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit together from front loop, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over to back. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, purl 3, knit together from back loop, knit 5, 2, 4, 5, knit together from front loop, purl 3, yarn over. This is 16 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over to front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from front loop, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over to back, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over, purl 3, knit together from back loop, knit 3, knit together from front loop, purl 3, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 2, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over to front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop, knit 1, knit together from front loop, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over to back, knit 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 3, yarn over, purl 3, knit together from back loop, knit 1, knit together from front loop, purl 3, yarn over, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 2, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Pole edge from wrong side. Row 7 right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over to front, ball 3, 1, 2, 3. S2KP means slip first, knit twice, knit together from front loop and pass over this slip stitch. This is S2KP, ball 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over to back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 4, yarn over, purl 3, S2KP, purl 3, yarn over, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 2, knit 1, knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, lady shirt, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.